everyone, got a 2020 Mazda Cx-5. This is how you replace the remote battery.
Alright, so what you're going to want to do is remove the cover that has the Mazda symbol on it. Okay, so this is the cover that has the battery underneath it. Just going to use a small flathead screwdriver, go at the bottom of the remote and just pry the cover off. Okay, it'll just come right off. This is clipped on there. Now this is the little cover that covers up the battery. Same thing, small flathead screwdriver. It's going to go at this right here, unclip that, and you can pull this off. And here's our battery. Small flathead screwdriver. There's a little slot right here. Put it in there, pull it right out. Get another battery, and I'll show you what size the battery is. So here is the new battery, and the size is the CR2032. There's a link down in the description box for a new battery if you need one. So check that out. We're just gonna put it back in here with the positive sign facing us. Place it back in there like that. Get the cover, and make sure you have it the right way. This long piece goes down into here, and we just click it back together. All right, the trim on this guy is a little broken, so watch out for that. We're just gonna go click, click. And then with the cover here, if you notice with the cover that you can't put this on wrong, it has this piece hanging off it. It goes up in the corner right here like that. And we just snap all this back together. Okay, and we are done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it if you leave me a comment, drop me a like. I'll see you guys in the next video.